Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn German with me. Our today's lesson is lesson number 51. Lesson-51. Today we will be learning vegetables vocabulary. Please repeat every word after me for better pronunciation. Das Gemüse. Das Gemüse. Das Gemüse means vegetable. First is their spinach. Their spinach. Their spinach means spinach. Second is their broccoli. Their broccoli. Third is their paprika. Their paprika means capsicum. Fourth is their kohl. Their kohl means cabbage. Fifth is their blumen kohl. Their blumen kohl. Their blumen kohl means cauliflower. Sixth is the kartoffel. The kartoffel means potato. Seventh is the tomate. The tomate means tomato. Eighth is the carote. The carote means carrot. Ninth is the aubergine. The aubergine means brinjal. 10th is the gurke. The gurke means cucumber. 11th is the bone. The bone. The bone means beans. 12th is the herbse. The herbse. The herbse means peas. 13 is the zwiebel. The zwiebel. The zwiebel means onion. 14 is their kürbis. Their kürbis means pumpkin. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.